Day wreaths, you know, on their front doors, because it's about that time. So here's what's really fun. We're gonna take a look at our 3-piece nestable containers. You're getting 3 of your round, airtight, watertight, BPA-free, dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe of the Ladybug printed containers. They come in an assortment of colors as well, but all of them have the daisies, the ladybugs, and you get them home for $21.98. So this first one is that beautiful red, but let me take you through. I think you're gonna order berry. No, this one's red. So we do have red. Here, let me show you all the colors. If you come on over here, I believe, is this where we have our stack up of colors? Yes, okay. So here's your red, which next to the berry?
Yes, you got it.
And then we also have, ooh, this is the jade green. Oh, see, that's why you put the camera over top. See, you guys are so smart. I'm tilting it like you need to see it. You got a great view. There's the jade. Here's a stack up of that gorgeous purple, really rich and luxe purple. And then we also have that sunflower yellow right here. There's your sunflower yellow. Janine is joining us. Janine Ferrillo is part of our LocknLock team. An expert, yes, did you ever think in your career you'd say you're an expert in food storage?
No.
But LocknLock
Not
is
totally
food storage
crazy though.
and so much more.
Yeah, oh, so much more for every room of the house. Hi everyone, good morning. So,
what do people love about LocknLock versus other food containers?
Well, we're airtight and watertight, and we have our famous seal, that food grade silicone seal. So now you're saving your food, you're saving money, and you're saving time. And we are airtight, watertight, BPA free. So I say feel safe to heat and eat right out of this.
Awesome.
Dishwasher, freezer safe as well. So what's so great is you guys love our prints. And you say, Janine, are you bringing in prints for this season, that season, for whatever holiday? And we are bringing in new ones all the time. So these are our adorable ladybugs. And you know, Allie, what's really great about this is that these will not come off in the dishwasher or the microwave. The prints will stay on. You get 3 different sizes, and these all nest with their lids. And you love a nestable, as do I. It takes up much less space in your cabinetry. So
this is a nice stack. Yeah, what size is this?
That's about 13, just under 13 cups there.
Ooh.
Then you have your 8 cup.
Okay.
And then a 5 cup. So you're looking at just about 26 cups of storage with this set. You can't go wrong with it. It's adorable. They're the perfect sizes. Really nice for you to take somewhere. Like, look at the chicken cutlets here. We have the chicken.
This is in the larger.
So this is in the larger 13 cup. This is really nice. So if you're going to someone's house or you want to take a meal to somebody, it's a nice way to do it. I'm going to pop this into the microwave. So let me put some of this pasta in real quick. Because again, we ask that you flip that lid. The reason you flip the lid is to break the suction of that seal. And then it also acts as a splatter guard, which is really nice.
These are BPA free.
Yeah.
They can go in the microwave.
Exactly.
So you're reheating in them. You're prepping your meals in your containers. And I love the ones with the prints too, because I think this set specifically is the one that I pick up. It's $21.98, because then I can go drop off cupcakes at a friend's house and just leave the container.
So cute. I mean, I just think they're fresh, they're fun. Look at those ladybugs. They're all different,
so adorable,
all the way around. The only thing that changes from with the colors are the color of the lids. The ladybugs are all the same on each one. So just pick the color lid you like, but look how adorable. Oh, I just love it with the daisies. I just think it's really, really cute. And you know what? This makes you think of spring, right? Think spring. It's going to be here before we know it. So I think these are really, really precious. You could do your meal prep in here if you wanted to. I have a little bit of meal prep here. There you can have your, there's the meal prep right there.
You could make your own trail mix.
Yeah, you could put your Germac in there.
Oh,
right?
yeah.
You could do your squirrel nut in here, right?
But
you
let's say you like to add
things.
a little something. Sometimes like the trail mixes at the store, they're loaded with the little candies. And I'm like, wait, I thought I wanted a healthy snack. You could buy your nuts in bulk.
You could.
Make your own trail mix. This is Germac, but you can really have some fun.
And then like, what if you just have leftovers? Look how nice it looks in there. We eat with our eyes first. So whenever something looks appetizing and beautifully displayed, you want to eat it.
Listen, it's about $7 a container. You get all 3. Oh, here, let me finish my stack so you can see. This one's the red. All you have to do is pick your color. So we do have that fun, vibrant red, the berry, a little richer, and then you also have your green.
While
which
you're
is your
right
jade.
there, quickly, that shot right there, that's all 3 of them nested with their
This is the
lids.
sunflower with all 3.
Isn't that pretty?
Now you're loving the sunflower, but there's 5 dozen.
Yeah,
that's
how. And if you have room for that largest one, you have room for all 3.
$21.98. Don't forget, and then we've got that purple right behind us. $21.98. It's about $7 a container. So a really great way to get started. And of course, if you start using LocknLock,